I was recently thinking about how most of us have grown apart. We've started chasing our dreams, goals, career, passion, money, and at times we blame ourselves or even each other for all this happening. People who are closest to us might just fade out. But it's just adulting, and adulting isn't as easy for us and for others around. There'll be days when we'll feel low, there'll be days when we won't feel like connecting with anyone at all. At times, we'll be happier being unproductive. It might even give us more peace than meeting someone outside. You might end up self-doubting or losing confidence. But that's when you realize that you have to pick yourself up from here. When you see people going away, accept that it's adulting, and the soon you realize that this phase might not come back. You might not have the same level of energy, aura, enthusiasm, that burning desire to find out your passion and work towards it. It will hit you hard to make the best out of your 20s and live the life of your dreams. So go do it. Accept that it's adulting. Wish good for yourselves and for everyone around.